All right, back to weather now. Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Joe Rook in today, and we're following some storms right this very moment. One, it appears to be moving over I-25 now, maybe to the Security Widefield area, but some more now arriving in the Woodland Park area.
Yeah, absolutely. We have these storms rolling off the mountains, and what this is doing, very slow-moving storms dumping rain at rates upwards of 1.5 inches an hour. So we are going to keep an eye on that flash flood threat throughout really the next 2.5 hours or so, where these slow-moving storms are just kind of training over areas. Right now, just southeast of downtown Colorado Springs, we do have a flash flood warning in effect, and it's really because the storm is kind of doing what we were fearing. We're seeing more development on the backside of the system. So what that means is the storm's already moving slow, but now we have more reinforcements coming along with it. So this will expire at 7:30 tonight. We're going to hold on to this flash flood warning. So we are going to keep a very close eye on this, keep you up to date. This severe alert has expired. It was dropped at about 4:43. So rain rates, radar still indicating upwards of 1.5 inches per hour. So until we do start to see these storms kind of push to the east, we are going to have to keep an eye on ponding throughout the roads. And this is moving right towards that I-25 corridor. So certainly drive slow, because we are going to see those visibility rapidly decrease. And with some of that heavier rainfall, sometimes those roads can be just a bit deeper if we do get that ponding than you do expect. So just keep in mind, if you do see still water on the roads, turn around, don't drown, because it often can be a bit deeper than it does appear. So just make these smart decisions. Don't try to get through that, what could appear just to be a little puddle, because all in all, you do never know, and flash flooding can be very dangerous. It can be strong enough to sweep a car away. Right now along that front range, though, we are enjoying some cooler temperatures. Some of those rain-cooled air showers are kind of bringing those temperatures down. 65 in Colorado Springs and Walsenburg, 84 over in Pueblo, and out towards the plains in the low 80s. And as we do see that sunset, temperatures will continue to rapidly decrease to the upper 50s, even low 60s for tonight. So here we are taking a look at really the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, and these are very high numbers for this area. So these storms have an abundant amount of moisture to deal with, and that's why we're seeing such heavy rain rates occurring out and about at this hour. So timing out this rain, though, by 5 p.m. we are going to see some of these showers still lingering on that I-25 corridor throughout the next 10 minutes or so, and then push this ahead by 7 o'clock. We're going to see showers lingering over that I-25 corridor, but that's when we do expect this flash flood threat as well as any severe threat to come to an end, and then storm's going to progress out towards the plains. By about 10 o'clock, a majority of that activity should begin to come to an end, but a few showers could hold on until about midnight, when we do expect all of that activity to begin pushing out of the plains and into Kansas. And then we're going to watch what happens as we do head into tomorrow morning. A beautiful start to the day is on tap, but once again, we're going to keep an eye on some afternoon showers that will come into the area. So we're going to have a front move through Wednesday. What this will do is going to bring in the greatest rain chances for Thursday and Friday, but along with that, temperatures will cool down just a bit. But given we got an inch of rain in downtown Colorado Springs yesterday, according to the radar, now we have a flash flood alert today. All of this rain in the forecast certainly does create that flash flood concern as we do head out really throughout the next 7 days until about next Sunday, when we do see some of those rain chances start to kind of dwindle out of the forecast. Here we are, Woodland Park. The mountain's going to see plenty of rain throughout this 7-day forecast. Little sunshine besides those morning hours. Cooler temperatures as well, 66 on Friday. Then back to 77 on Monday. Going to see some sunshine, but still few rain showers could linger. Canyon City also going to be experiencing some cooler temperatures, but that rain threat really will linger even into next work week in some of those higher elevations and near those mountains. Pueblo, though, very below average temperatures really for the majority of this work week. By Friday, 80 degrees. See some of that heat return for your Sunday and into Monday. Also see those rain chances start to leave that 7-day forecast. Downtown Colorado Springs, below average temperatures, 74 come Friday. That average is 87 for this time of the year. See that heat start to build, and could be a brief break from that rain at the end of your weekend and start of next work week. Mallory?
Joe, thank you. Let's take a live look at the roads right now. This is